seen a lot of essays that persons have written. For example, they say they're a very good advocate, and then they give a one-off example of a time that they were maybe doing court advocacy before a judge and they successfully argued a case. If you want to say you're a strong advocate, I would suggest going in with numbers, for example. So if you are a court advocate, you want to say you've done 120 cases in infant settlements and possession hearings, that sort of thing. Give us the breadth of what you've done that demonstrates you are a strong advocate. And then maybe if you've got space, you can give a one-off example of how you persuaded a judge to side with your arguments as opposed to the other side. But if you want to say you are strong, demonstrating that you're strong is not through saying, here is a one off instance where I did something, but rather, here is the breadth of my work, and the standard or caliber of that work is always high.